Coldstone hack number 1, 20-cent ice cream. The prices at Coldstone Creamery are going to blow your mind. Like it, $4.79. Love it, $4.89. And gotta have it, $4.99. What? Like it, 5 ounces. Love it, 8 ounces. Gotta have it, 12 ounces. What? The gotta have it is over twice the size of the like it and comes with a larger quantity of topping for only 20 cents more. If you happen to find yourself inside a Coldstone Creamery and see a sad, pathetic little person ordering a like it for $4.79, throw them a quarter and say, hey, upgrade to the gotta have it. They only need 20 cents more, so also say keep the change.
What's the difference between this one and this one?
I don't know, maybe $3?
20 cents.
What? Is that a large or a medium?
Guys, if you're not getting the gotta have it at Coldstone Creamery, you are getting ripped off. I got these small one for the example.